What is going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Once again, we are back here in the garage with another vehicle to work on today. It is a Monday morning, but it's not too bad of a dent for a Monday morning. I'll show you what we have. It's a brand new Santa Cruz, and you can see on this rear door up high here, it's a pretty good shot over the body line, up by the window. So, I mean, it's not horrible, but it's gonna take a little work. I think what we're gonna do is just go right in through this hole. So we'll get this plug out for the handle. And I think there's lots of access that I can sneak up with a rod and touch most of the dent that way. So again, I don't think it's gonna be too bad, especially for a Monday. But we'll take you along with us as we work this one. I think it should come out good. The customer's really bothered by it. They just bought the car, and you know, it's a pretty noticeable dent on the driver's side. So, you know, it's something when you're walking up to your car, you always see it. So we'll get this taken care of for them. Take you along with us as we normally do, and we'll get going and see how this thing turns out. Let's do it. All right, we are all finished up. I think this is going to be a short video. It came out really fast and easy. It was pretty nice to work. Again, it was over that Bodyline, but plenty of access. I'll show you the results. We were able to get on it with an ultra tool, like a double bend with the rubber tip, and you can see I got a lot of the deepness out right away, and then just started fine-tuning it, bringing that body line back to the way it should be, and yeah, it came up really nice. I think the customer is going to be super happy with it. I'm happy with the results, so hopefully you guys like the video. I know this might be a short one and nothing really exciting, but I figured why not do a video? I had the car here, so hopefully you like it. If you can, like, subscribe to the channel. We'll do more videos, and we'll catch you next time.